If you want to clean your golf balls or your golf clubs on the course, you should check out this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up because I think it's the smallest golf club and golf ball cleaner that you can buy, and it is superior to towels, which is what everyone's using. You might be able to see on the back here, it's by Tidy Golf, and this little pouch here is actually more impressive than it seems. So first of all, it's pretty small, you know, kind of like a phablet phone. I mean, it's a little bit shapely, as you can see here, and it has this neoprene outer. It has a little loop up here with a little aluminum carabiner so you can attach it to your bag, and then you can see it kind of breaks open here. Now this neoprene, I think, is waterproof, and that's going to allow you to pour some water on the inside here so that you can stick your club in here or your golf ball on there, give it a good little scrub, drop it out, and have it looking beautiful. Now, I was kind of wondering what this little flap is for, and I think it's really just to kind of protect the bottom here from intrusion of dirt, elements, things spraying around. It's for kind of just creating a little bit of a seal so that when you pour water in here, it doesn't just evaporate out or just drip out. And so if you can look in here, what you might be able to see is we actually have something of like a Scotch-Brite pad. So this material right here is, I think it's nylon. It's a little rough and reminds me of, you know, just one of those pads that you use to clean dishes with. So, which makes a lot of sense because you're going to use it to clean your golf clubs. So I think all you do here is you pour a little water in here and then stick your club in there and then run it around. So I have a little bottle of water here, which may be exactly how it is on the course for you. So you grab your bottle of water, just pour a little in here before you go golfing. You don't need too much. Any excess is going to drip out. And then I'm kind of letting it soak in there. Seems like it's gotten it wet actually on the back here, on the non-scrubbing side, and then the scrubbing side is kind of not permeable. So I think this kind of moistens it up, and then this kind of scrubs it. I do have a used golf club here, and as you can see, been playing with it, got dirt all over it. So I'm just gonna insert it here so that the blue side is facing the grooves. And now I can just kind of rub it around. I'm gonna kind of rotate it around just so I can get some water and moisture on there. And then I'm not sure how aggressive you get with it, but ooh, so far looks pretty good. And I tell you what, I think the big advantage of this is that it's actually really hard to get in the grooves with just your towel, and your towel isn't wet usually either on the golf course, so you're just kind of wiping it down. This is actually, you can see here where I've got little muddy water on there, that it's actually moistening it up and cleaning it up. So this works pretty well. This works pretty well, and it's very small, so even if you have your towel on the golf course, you don't have to replace it. You can just hang this from your bag as well and have it with you. See a little of the water dripping out there. So pretty cool, pretty clever. Hey, I'm going to attach this to my golf bag. And when you're done with it, I think you can just throw it into your washing machine to clean it up. So it's pretty low maintenance. Hey, if you want to pick up the Tidy Golfer, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.